Hey, welcome back everybody. This video is going to be just another example of finding a particular term in a binomial expansion. It's a different situation. We're going to employ a bit of a different technique. Again, brute force will work for this one too if it's what you're inclined to do, but you don't have to. So check out this method and see if you like it, and maybe you can apply it to some of your work. Okay, so in this example here, they're saying find the 24th term in the expansion of a plus b to the 25th. Okay, so there's a couple facts we got to think about and remember. Now, in the very beginning of the study of these binomial expansions, we said we knew there were always n plus 1 terms, which means there's 26 terms altogether. Okay, so it's probably better to start thinking of the end of the expansion instead of working my way all the way to it. So the smart thing to do is take your, probably not the compact version of the theorem, but the full theorem, and sort of just cut off the end of it. Okay, and I've already written this out. This is the right-hand side of the theorem. And this is where I would start working and work my way back. So in other words, what I'm saying is this right here would be your 26th term. Oh, I don't want it underlined. Why do you always have to do something like that? This would be your 26th term, right? This would be your 25th term. And if you want to underline everything today, you just do that. And then this thing back here, we don't know yet, would be my 24th term. So my job is to find this 24th term. Now, if you take this notation here and just back it up one, if we backed up one more time, notice n becomes n minus 1. The next one will be n minus 2. A is going to gain 1 going that direction. It will become an a squared, right? So what I really would have here would be n choose n minus 2, backing him up 1, a to the 2, b to the n minus 2. And that would become my 24th term, right? That's the 24th term right there. So, like I said, starting at one end and backing your way up might be a better way. If you're a brute force person and you get through this thing using that calculator method, that's legit too. It's fine with me. So I've kind of worked on this a little bit here, and it's starting to look like we would do. All right, so I've got 25. That's the power of n we're working with here. So I got 25 choose. Now I'm not going to go 25 minus 2 and simplify that. We know that 25 minus 2 is 23, right? And we got our a squared. B to the, all right, we got 25 minus 2, which is 23. And that's going to give me, well, let's see, 25, choose 23. Oh, maybe I can just take this. Well, I can't do it that way. And I'm going to back that up out of there. Probably faster just to retype one. 25, choose 23. And that gives me 300. Okay, so the coefficient there is 300. So that's going to give me our answer. So I hope this video was helpful for you. You're definitely going to run into doing one of these. You could use brute force, but you don't have to. And check out the next video, and it'll be our last video in this unit. So you're about finished, but don't miss the last one. It's another tricky one I maybe can help you with. All right, guys, stay safe and be healthy out there. See you in the next video.